Good morning, students. Here, can you tell me what is this? Yes, these are the beautiful birds and they are looking very beautiful here. Okay, but students, birds are sad in cages. They are meant to fly. That's why they feel sad in cages. Okay, students, we should not keep the birds in cages. In spite of that, we should take care of them. They are very important for us. So, students, today we are going to read the same chapter, Happy Birds. Here in this page, Rohan and his friends are playing in the park. Work with your partner. Take turns the name of 5 things you see in this picture. Students, this is a group activity, but here you have to do it by yourself. You have to observe the 5 things, you have to notice the 5 things and name them. So now let's start the chapter. Here, Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan wanted a dog and Anu wanted a white kitten. Here, in this chapter, there are 2 children. Okay, the name of the boy is Rohan and the name of the girl is Anu. And they both wanted pets. Rohan desires dog and Anu desires a kitten. Here, kitten means the young one, baby of cat. Move on here. Rohan and Anu walk to the pet shop in the market. In the shop, they saw dogs and cats and rabbits. So, to having pet, they went to a pet shop. There were many animals, the like dogs, cats and rabbits. And next here, Rohan and Anu liked them. They saw some cages. There were parakeets in small cages, and there were white and grey pigeon in a big cage. So, both liked many animals and cages also. Cages means here a small box with bars which is used to keep animals and birds so that they can't escape. So here parakeets means yes, parakeets means small birds having long tail. So they saw parakeets in small cages and the grey and the white pigeon in a big cages. Next, birds look sad. Rohan and Anu did not like to see the bird in cages. They felt sorry for the birds. They went back home. They told Granny that they had seen. Granny said, "Let us go to the shop right now." So here, after looking these birds, they both felt that the birds are not happy in cages. They felt sad for the birds. They feel sorry and they went back to home and described the whole story to their granny. After listening everything, granny decided to go that shop immediately with kids and they went to that shop. Now come to the next page. Here, Rohan, Anu and Granny went to the shop. Granny said to the shopkeeper, "I want to buy these birds." The shopkeeper gave them the birds in the cages. She told the shopkeeper, "You should not keep birds in cages." So students, after reaching there, they asked to buy birds and shopkeeper gave them birds with cages. Now, Granny advised shopkeeper that he should not keep birds in cages. Here, move on. "I'm sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now," he said. Rohan, Anu and Granny came out to the shop. They opened the door. They opened the doors of the cages. The birds hopped out one by one. They flew away happily. So now shopkeeper felt sorry. She promised to grandmother that he will never ever sell the birds again now on. And then Granny, Anu, and Rohan came back to the shop and they opened the doors of cages and then one by one all birds hopped. Here, hopped means to move by jumping, like the frog and kangaroo do. Then all the birds became free and flew away happily, or you can say they flew away with joy. That time they were feeling that they were free. What we learned from this story? We learned from this story that we should not keep birds in cages. Birds have to birds have a quality of flying which everybody desire. And if we would do the same, it means we are snatching their freedom. So in spite of all that things, we should take care of them. We should feed them. Okay, students? Now you have to read this chapter. Now come to its back exercises here. Here, match the columns to make sentences. First, the Anu wanted a Anu wanted a white kitten. And in the next, here, Rohan and Anu saw parakeets. Yes, in small cages. And the third is the pigeons were white and grey. Good. And the fourth is the birds in the cages looked sad. The last one is Rohan and Anu felt sorry for the birds. Now B part we have circle the animals Rohan and Anu saw in the pet shop. You have to circle which animals and birds they saw. Okay, they saw the pigeons and the dog, cats and rabbits. Now move on. Here in the D part, read the words on the word balls. Here we have to given the words. Okay, find the letters to make words from the word balls. And you have to find the words here with their picture. The first picture is a frog and here we have a frog written. So you have to write down here F-R-O-G, frog. And the second one is bike. Here we have bike written. Okay, B-I-K-E. And the third is flew. And here flew, F-L-E-W. And the fourth one is cry, C-R-Y. And here C-R-Y, the cry is written. Here in the E part, write the he and the she words in the correct column. She means to female here, mother, sister, aunt is written, daughter, and the grandma. And the he means to father, son, uncle, brother, and the grandpa. Okay, now come to the next page. Here, write A or an for each pictures. Here students, you know very well where we should use an or a. The apple, here we will use an apple. Okay, here an orange and an ice cream. As you know that we will use an with vowels A, I, O, U. And the rest one we will use A. So here a ball and an umbrella. Now we have a at section here. Fill in the blanks with A and an again. The first is Anu wanted a kitten. And the next Sheila has an orange. Okay. And the third one is have you seen an ostrich? Or the fourth one is there is a rainbow in the sky. And the last one is Paul had an apple and a dosa for breakfast. Okay, students, it's enough for today.